The third-generation Chevrolet Equinox moved to a lighter platform with smaller turbocharged engines, which improved fuel economy but introduced a new set of reliability concerns. Compared to the previous generation, GM focused on downsizing and efficiency, offering mainly the 1.5 and 2.0 turbo gasoline engines alongside a rare 1.6 diesel. While the car is generally comfortable and practical, many issues stem from aggressive emissions tuning, turbocharging, and cost-optimized components. The 1.5 turbo is the most widespread engine and also the most criticized. Owners frequently report excessive oil consumption, especially as mileage increases. This is often linked to piston ring wear and crankcase ventilation issues. Another common complaint is weak turbo durability. Premature wear of the turbocharger can lead to loss of power and expensive repairs. Additionally, the engine is sensitive to oil quality and change intervals. Neglect quickly leads to timing chain wear and sludge buildup. In cold climates, there have also been cases of intercooler icing, which can cause rough starts or even engine damage. The 2.0 Turbo LTG offers significantly better performance, but it comes with its own drawbacks. The biggest concern is piston cracking under high load or poor tuning, especially in aggressively driven vehicles. Carbon buildup on intake valves is another common issue due to direct injection, leading to rough idle and reduced efficiency. The turbocharger itself is generally more durable than on the 1.5 but still not immune to oil-related failures. Fuel system components, including high-pressure fuel pumps, can also fail prematurely. The 1.6 turbo diesel is relatively uncommon but worth mentioning. While it provides excellent fuel economy, it suffers from modern diesel complications, EGR system clogging, DPF, diesel particulate filter issues, and expensive emissions-related repairs. Short trips and city driving accelerate these problems, making it a poor choice for urban use. Maintenance costs are significantly higher compared to gasoline versions. Most Equinox models use a 6-speed automatic or later a 9-speed automatic transmission. The 6-speed units are known for rough shifting, hesitation, and occasional slipping. These issues are often related to valve body wear or outdated transmission software. The 9-speed transmission improves efficiency but introduces its own quirks: jerky low-speed behavior, delayed engagement, and complex repairs if internal components fail. Regular fluid changes help, but do not fully eliminate the risks. ADAS-equipped models can develop issues with the rear differential clutch system. Symptoms include grinding noises, vibrations, or delayed engagement of the rear wheels. The problem is often linked to fluid degradation or wear in the coupling mechanism. If ignored, repairs can become costly, as the system is not particularly robust under heavy use. Like many modern crossovers, the Equinox suffers from various electrical glitches. Common complaints include infotainment system freezes, malfunctioning sensors, and random warning lights. Battery-related issues are also frequent. Voltage drops can cause multiple system errors. Problems with keyless entry, remote start, and driver assistance features are not uncommon, often requiring software updates or module replacements. Cooling system weaknesses can lead to serious engine problems. Failures of thermostats, water pumps, and coolant sensors are reported across multiple engine variants. On the 1.5 engine in particular, overheating can occur if coolant levels drop unnoticed, potentially leading to head gasket damage. Some vehicles also experience coolant leaks from plastic components that degrade over time. Direct injection engines in the Equinox are prone to carbon buildup, injector issues, and high-pressure fuel pump wear. Emission systems, including evap components, can trigger check engine lights even with minor faults. Repairs in this area are often costly and require specialized diagnostics, especially as the vehicle ages. While the cabin is comfortable, long-term durability reveals weaknesses. Owners report rattles, worn seat materials, and peeling trim. Climate control systems can also develop faults, including inconsistent airflow or failing actuators. These issues don't immobilize the car, but affect perceived quality over time. The suspension is tuned for comfort, but components like stabilizer links, bushings, and struts wear relatively quickly, especially on poor roads. Steering racks can develop play or noise over time. These are not catastrophic issues, but they contribute to increasing maintenance costs as mileage grows. The third-generation Chevrolet Equinox is not a disastrous vehicle, but it is far from trouble-free. The main risks are concentrated around the 1.5-liter turbo engine, transmission behavior, and modern emission systems. With proper maintenance, many issues can be mitigated, but neglect quickly leads to expensive repairs. For buyers and owners, understanding these weak points is key to avoiding major problems and keeping the vehicle reliable over the long term.